Hi everyone, I'm Luca, one of the co-creators of the Wick Editor, and today I'll be showing you how to use text and some of the advanced text settings we have in the Wick Editor. So to use text, you're going to want to go to the text tool in the toolbar. Once you select it, you'll be able to click and create a new text item. With the text tool selected, if you select your text item, you'll be able to edit that text and make it whatever you want. So hello. That's what I'll make this text. Now, if I want to deselect this and actually be able to move this text around, what I'll do is go over to the cursor, select that, and now I can just move my text around however I'd like. So now this text, it's not that bad, just a really kind of plain font. But if I want to change the style and the kind of settings of this text, I can head over to the inspector. So with my text selected, I can head over to the inspector and see everything from its position and size, like we do with every type of object, to its color and its font family. So change color, I can just click on color and reset this to whatever I'd like. If I want to change the stroke color, which is a kind of this outline color, I can make that anything I'd like and maybe make the strokes a little thicker if I want. If I want to change the font family, actually back off a little bit on that stroke color change. If I want to change the font family, I can just open this drop down and I have access to over 100 different fonts from Google Fonts. Let's pick a fun one. Maybe we'll choose something like Righteous. It's a pretty cool font. So I can move this wherever I'd like. I can change the style of my text. So I can say, maybe I want this to be italic. And I also want this to be bold. So now I have bold italic text, and I can also change the font size or how big the text is. So maybe I'll make this into size 80 font. So that is how we can change all the stylings of text in the Wick Editor. If you like this tutorial, hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorials, comment down below and let me know what types of tutorials you'd like to see. If you want to see more complicated tutorials with how we can use code to change text, look out for the interactive text tutorial that I'll be putting out soon. And if you'd like to support the Wick Editor and the development of this free and open source tool, head on over to our Patreon and become one of our Patreons. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you make.